Did you know some gardeners use Epsom salt to grow bigger, greener plants? It might sound strange, but this household item has become a popular garden trick. Let's find out if it really works. Today, I'm putting Epsom salt to the test to see if it actually helps plants grow faster and stronger. Could this simple salt be the secret to a healthier garden? You've probably heard people say that Epsom salt is a miracle for plants. Just sprinkle some on the soil and watch them thrive. But is that really how it works? Some gardeners swear by it. They say it helps seeds sprout, boosts growth, and even makes veggies taste better. Others think it's overhyped or even harmful if used the wrong way. So, what's the truth? Exploration development. First, what is Epsom salt? It's not the kind of salt you put on fries. It's a mineral compound made of magnesium and sulfur, two nutrients that plants need. Magnesium helps plants make chlorophyll, which is key for turning sunlight into energy. Sulfur helps plants grow strong and resist disease. Sounds good, right? But here's the thing. Not all plants need extra magnesium or sulfur, and using too much Epsom salt can throw off your soil's balance and hurt your plants instead of helping. If your soil test shows a magnesium deficiency, or if you're seeing yellowing leaves or slow growth, Epsom salt might help. Here's how to use it safely. For most plants, mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt with 1 gallon of water. Use it to water the base of your plants about once a month. As a foliar spray, mix the same ratio, 1 tablespoon per gallon of water, then spray it directly on the leaves. This helps the plant absorb it faster. For peppers and tomatoes, you can add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt to the soil when planting. Then repeat every few weeks during the growing season. Just remember, more is not better. Always start small and observe how your plants respond. Studies show that Epsom salt can help if your plants actually need magnesium or sulfur. But if your soil already has enough, adding more won't do much and might even harm your plants. Experts agree. Do a soil test first. Epsom salt isn't a magic solution for every garden. It can help certain plants in certain conditions, but it's not a fix-all. Knowing your soil and your plant's needs is the key to using it the right way. Have you tried Epsom salt in your garden? Did it help or not? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I show you how to make easy compost at home. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!